to share Netflix account with friends. So let's get started. Sharing your Netflix account with friends can be a bit tricky, especially with Netflix involving policies and features. So first thing first, all you have to do is download the Netflix app on your mobile device or simply go to the Netflix website and log into your account. Once you create an account or log into your account, you will have to create a new profile for your friend. After you also add a profile on your Netflix account, now all you have to do is provide your friend with your Netflix login details. Be cautious about sharing this information as it involves trust and security. Use a secure method to share your username and password, like a password manager and encrypted messaging app. Now, once you share the password, your friend will log into your Netflix account using your email and password, and they can use your Netflix easily and smoothly. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.